In today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to change location on Snap Maps. Now the way that you do it is you need to download an application called Fake GPS. You can easily find it in the Play Store or the App Store. You can just search for it. You just search for Fake GPS and you just download the application which is called Fake GPS Location. Once the app has been downloaded, you can just open up the settings of your phone, and first you'll need to enable the developer options. To do that, you just head over to About Phone and tap on this option right here. If you keep tapping it a couple of times, your developer option should pop up. Just find your developer options. If you don't see it here, you just search it on the search bar. Mine is inside additional options, and here it is. Now inside developer options, you just scroll down and find an option which says select mock location app. Just tap on this option and make sure that Fake GPS is selected. Once that is done, you're all set. You just open up the Fake GPS application and you just take this location to wherever you want to add it. So for example, if you want it on United States, in any state, let's suppose we're going to use Colorado, Denver, and you just tap on this play option on the bottom right, and there you go, your fake location has been added. Now you can hop over to Snapchat, and if you tap on this map option on the bottom left, you're going to see that your location will be that exact place that you selected, which is Denver, Colorado. You can similarly go back and just pause this and change your location to anywhere that you want, and tap on this play option again and just close off your Snapchat once, and then you can just open it again and open up your map, and your location will be set to the one that you just selected. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll be back with more. If you have any questions, also make sure to comment down below. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.